Hello, today we're removing the cable from DT990 headphones and installing a headphone jack. This way you can easily replace a damaged cable and make sure it won't happen again. We're going to remove the ear pad. It's about 3 to 4 years old, but my colleague has new ones ready. Now we carefully pry out the plastic ring. We cut and remove the cable. The opening is slightly longer than the jack, but that's not a problem at all. We add heat shrink tubing for insulation after soldering. We tin the wires and the jack. If you're not sure about the markings on the jack 1, 2 and 3, simply check the wires with a multimeter. The red wire goes to its corresponding lug, and the same applies to the others. Soldering. That octopus stand is a must-have. It's amazing. Then we slide the heat shrink into place, turn on the hot air station and as you can see, the jack is a bit in the way. Before applying glue, make sure the long jack lug is on top. It bends easily and prevents future issues. I'm using a 2-part epoxy adhesive. We apply it generously to make sure the headphones won't need to be opened again in the future. After that, we reassemble the headphones.